All right. So where were we? We will have to add this in the migration file. So this is the migration file. We can simply add those. So it will create a field with the string and date and time. So after this, we have to give Rails the db migrate. So the migration is done successfully, and after that we have to create a session controller which will say whether we are logged in, logged out. So to create sessions controller, you just have to create sessions controller and app controller, and you can create a new folder called users, and inside that you can create a new file called a session controller. There you can paste all this. So basically what this does is, what happens when you log in, what happens when you log out, all those things will be available here in the user session controller. And after that, for sign up, you will be creating another controller called as registration controller. Control users, a new file. Okay, in the registration controller, you will write the command for all the registration work. Registration file. Okay, up to here. Okay, once this is done, once the registration controller is done, you can create a members controller to check whether the authentication is working. But in our case, I won't be doing this. Then you can go to config initializer devise.rb and paste this. This will config the devise.rb file, and then comes the main part. We will be close all this to avoid confusion. Then go to the terminal and print edit nano. So now this file will open. Now what you have to do is understand carefully. You have to copy this, and here you will be pasting that. After that, make sure you delete this and paste this key. Here, and press Ctrl X, press Y, press enter. This will show that file credentials are saved, and you will be left with one more step, which is adding routes. So to add routes, go to config, routes. Here you can add the routes. So that's pretty much it. Your app is now ready. Your API is now ready to work with sign in, sign out, all those things. Now let's see how this stuff works. So basically, I will go to Postman and give a sign up request. So first I will have to run Rails server. Once the Rails server starts working, I can give a sign up request. For sign up, you have to pass the parameter user email not user. Inside the user, it's email, password, and password confirmation. So I just gave a random thing. I will create. Alright, there is a little bit of issues in the routes. No route matches to post. There is some problem with me. One moment, I will fix this error.